Hi, if you're seeing these solutions on YouTube, click on the description below, take these as a test and then check out the solutions for free.
Find x in the figure given below. And we need to find x is outside. And these two lines are said to be parallel. This seems to be a very interesting question. So I'm going to do as much detail as possible, whatever we can find, I'm going to add that in. Right? So these two are said to be equal. I'm going to name this diagram A, B, C, D at a point outside E. We need to find angle ABE. Right? First up, let's say this line is line L, line M. L is parallel to M. This means, let's say this point is F outside and this is G. Right? So angle CAF is equal to angle CDG. This angle is equal to this angle because they are corresponding angles. Or you could have said this angle and this angle, angle FAD plus angle ADG equal to 180. These two are corresponding angles. These two are co-interior angles. Right? So this angle is 110. This is 110. This is 110. Fine. Because they are vertically opposite angles. Right? So angle ADB equal to angle GDC. This angle here is 70. This angle here is 70. These two add up to 180. These two are vertically opposite angles. So I filled a bunch of things. Right? So remember, we have not come close to finding x. We just marked whatever we know. Right? Now let's think about triangle ADB. Right? These two are equal, ADB. So this angle should be equal to this angle. It's an isosceles triangle. This is 110. This is angle A and angle. I'm not using the variable x because x is already taken. Right? So we know that 110 plus A is 180. Sum of three angles of a triangle is 180, or 2A is 70. A is 35 degrees. Or this is 35. This is 35. So far so good, but you're still not come to finding x. We need to figure out a mechanism of finding x. Fine. So I'm going to recap all the final data points we've got and then think about x all over again. So what do we know? We know that this is 110. We know this is 70. This is 110. This is 110. This is 35. This is 35. This is 70. And so A, B, C, D, this point is D, E, F, G. And so we've named everything, numbered everything. So we need to find x here. And this is 35. If we find this angle, if we find angle DBC, we are through. Because then we can say this plus 35 plus x is 180. How do we find angle DBC? Take triangle DBC. The three angles are angle DBC plus 70 plus 60 equal to 180. Or angle DBC is 180 minus 130, which is 50 degrees. Now we can say angle EBC is 180 degrees. It's a straight line. Or x plus 35 plus 50 equals 180 degrees. Or x equals 180 minus 85 degrees, which is 95 degrees. Absolutely fabulous question, wonderful question. Answer is 95 degrees. We use the idea that these two lines are parallel, co-interior angles are supplementary, corresponding angles are equal. One of the two. Vertical angles are equal. Angle in a straight line is 180. We get 110, 70, 110, 70. Isosceles triangle, two angles are equal. We use 35, 35. Sum of three angles in a triangle is 180. This is 70, 60. We find 50. Angle on a straight line is 180. This whole thing should add up to 180. 50 plus 35 plus x is 180. We find x. Wonderful, fabulous, delightful question. But you should have got it right in some form. Slowly, methodically.